Hey guys, so in today's video I will be doing Halloween nails. So in this video I decided to show my prep first, and yeah, it's not really changed much. So I'm just applying primer right here, and then yeah, I actually liked how my nails were. This was after I had removed my shorties, one of my shorties. Some of the shorties that I have done already are going to be posted after October, because October I want to be focusing on Halloween nails, and this is officially the last video where I'm going to be doing voiceovers. I mean, it's not the last video that you're going to see where I'm doing voiceovers, because some videos that I've already edited are going to be posted in September, but for me this is the last video that I'm editing where I'm going to be doing voiceovers, and thank goodness I will never do that to myself ever again. But here I am applying rubber-based gel that I got from Bling Girl. It is a number, is it 9 or 6? I don't remember, but it is a yellow one. I just thought I am going to use this rubber-based gel and finish it because I bought it and I was trying to try it. So yeah, I don't like the color, but I would rather have it on top of my natural nails and then do my nails on top of the rubber-based gel. So for this video I will be answering would you rather questions. I have I read a few stories on Reddit, like Halloween related stories, but I just thought, well, there is someone who's already doing that on YouTube. She's big. Her name is Vicky Nails, or Nails by Vic. Nails by Vic. I think it's Nails by Vic. She does scary stories while she does Sister Spice's nails. So I didn't want to take that away from her. It's not that I would take that away from her, but I just wanted to be a little bit original, if you know what I mean. So I just thought, let me do would you rather questions, just like I have been doing with my other videos, my other voiceover videos. But you know what? Never say never. Let me just say this is the last voiceover video I will do for the year, because anything can happen. I could be in a situation where I don't want to speak in the video and I would rather have a would you rather, session going on. But anyway, I have here 45. It says here 45 funny would you rather questions. I'm not sure if we're going to go through all 45 questions, but I am going to put them on screen, all of them on screen. Or rather, let me see, do I want to crop? I'll see what I decide after editing this video. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry for the noise, you guys. The kids are playing outside. I usually do my nails or edit my videos in the AMs or very early in the morning when no one is up, but these kids are up and they are determined to be making a noise. So yeah, like I said, I will decide when I edit whether I want to put up all 45 questions or just put up the questions that I will be able to answer in the video. Also, if you would like to answer the questions of the would you rather, please don't hesitate to leave your answers in the comment section down below. I would love to read your answers. Anyway, the first one says, would you rather be set on fire or run over by a mini truck? I think I would rather be run over by a mini truck. Fire is really you're gonna have fire scars. That's if you don't die, by the way. You're gonna have the fire. It's just no. Rather a mini truck or semi truck. God forbid though. Would you rather have lunch with a cannibal or get abducted by fashion forward aliens? Oh no, I'd rather have lunch with, oh my gosh, no, this is so hard. I mean, if it's just lunch, then I'll just have lunch with a cannibal. Would you rather change your name to Moby Dick or Love Handles? Or I'd rather change my name to Love Handles. Rather that, no. I don't want to be mocked. In fact, people always find something to mock you about, even if it's not funny. So, but in this case, I would rather change my name to Love Handles. Would you rather live as a skunk or as a porcupine for a year? A porcupine? What is a skunk and what is a porcupine? Like, proper definitions of those. Okay, the first thing I thought of would be porcupine. I'm gonna do my research while I'm editing this. Like when I put my voice over, I'm gonna have to find the proper definitions of this, and if I change my mind, I will put it on screen. But right now, I'm going for porcupine because skunk sounds really dirty. Yeah, I don't know. Would you rather have gills for lungs or scales over your entire body? Oh no, I would rather have gills for lungs so I can live underwater and breathe underwater. I would rather have that, and no one would know. No one would know the inside of me, you know. Would you rather be a psychopath or a sociopath? I think I'd rather be a sociopath because I feel like psychopaths are really, when I say path, it just sounds wrong. But psychopaths are, in my opinion, they're very dangerous. They are mean. They're just egotistical. It's all about them, and they don't really care about the damage they make. So I think sociopaths might break some rules, but they're not really harmful, I would, say. So I'd rather be a sociopath. Would you rather eat bugs or cat food for the rest of your life? Oh my goodness. I feel like people in the past used to eat bugs, so I'd rather eat bugs for the rest of my life because I feel like cat food is wet and it smells like dog moors and no, I can't. Would you rather spend the rest of your life watching Harry Potter or reading Harry Potter? I would rather watch Harry Potter. I've tried reading Harry Potter, I haven't finished it, and I still haven't finished watching all the Harry Potters, so I'd rather watch Harry Potter for the rest of my life than read it, because these are big books, hey? I couldn't finish. I'm a reader, but that series I couldn't finish. Would you rather live in a bubble or a tree until you die? I'd rather live in a bubble. Would you rather play with dynamite or play guitar? I'd rather play guitar. Would you rather be invisible or kicked by a donkey for 584 days? Oh no, I'd rather be invincible. Donkey kicks can literally make you so confused. I've watched a lot of videos of donkeys kicking people and they just look confused. So no, I'd rather be invincible. Why would I want to be kicked by a donkey? Would you rather eat lunch off a leprechaun's stomach or go swimming in shark-infested waters? Infested waters, rather. Leprechauns? No. But swimming in shark-infested waters, I'd rather do that with a cage. People swim with sharks these days. So, would you rather have to tell a secret to your enemy, to your nemesis, or tell a secret to your parents? Nah, I'd rather tell a secret to my parents. I tell my secrets to my mom, so nothing new there. Would you rather it thunder every time you went to the bathroom or it rain anytime you spoke? This is so funny. I'd rather it rain every time I spoke. Would you rather live in a storm, drain, or under a bridge? Wow. I'd rather live under a bridge. Would you rather marry an ogre or a troll? I mean, Shrek has made me like ogres, but ogres are more dangerous compared to trolls. So I would rather get married to a troll, and I would be sure that the troll would not have me for dinner. So yeah, marry a troll. Would you rather be bald or have 2 horns growing out of your head? Oh no. I would rather be bald. Nah, rather that. Would you rather chain yourself to a lion or have a ton of maggots crawl? Oh, no. I'm not having maggots crawl over me. I'd rather chain myself to a lion. If I die, I die. No maggots on me, please. Would you rather be 10 inches or 10 feet tall? I'd rather be 10 feet tall. If I'm 10 inches, then people are going to step on me. Like, some people are going to sit on me. No, I'd rather be tall. See me come, So yeah. Would you rather marry an ex? I think they wanted to say ex, not ex. Would you rather marry an ex-murderer or a ghost chaser? Oh my gosh, why? I mean, if it's an ex-murderer, then it means they're not murderers anymore, right? But also they're spirits and all. Oh, child. Okay, I'd rather marry a ghost chaser. This is so uncomfortable. Okay, would you rather be the subject of a viral video or the face of a popular meme? Isn't that kind of like the same thing? Which one dies down quicker? Because I feel like memes don't die, but also a video that goes viral, after a while, it may die down, but it may come back. So I think I'd rather be the subject of a viral video. Memes don't die, guys. Memes don't die. I want something that will die down and people forget about me. Would you rather sleep in an open grave or a cage at a zoo? Well, I'd rather sleep at a cage in a zoo with no animal in the cage with me. I'd rather that than in a grave, because that's scary. The graveside, you guys, have a lot of spirits. Like, I didn't really realize that until we went to visit my grandma, and just me walking into the graveside, I felt so dizzy until we got to my grandmother's graveyard. That was the very first time I got into the graveside area. I was so dizzy. I felt like I was gonna fall on people's graves, and I was just like, this is crazy. That's when I believed that spirits are real. So no, I'd rather, sleep, in a cage at a zoo, for as long as there's no animal in the cage with me. Would you rather be reborn as a dental hygienist or a rotten molar? Rotten molar? Why? No, I'd rather be reborn as a dental hygienist. Ugh. Yeah, no, these are very uncomfortable questions. Would you rather tie yourself to a railway track or hang off a cliff? Why would you want to do either? Like, oh my goodness, no. No, I'd rather tie myself to a railway track, because I feel like the weight of my body hanging on a cliff, I would let go, So if I'm tied next to a railway, I can untie myself. Hopefully there's a chance. And if I don't, then if my leg is the one that's tied on the railway, then let's sacrifice the leg. Well, God forbid, but you know what I mean. Well, that's it from my side, you guys. I was only able to answer 24 of the 45 questions. I hope you enjoyed them, and I only showed 24 of the 45 questions on screen because they were too small to show all of them. But I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you left your answers in the comment section down below. Right, so this is how the nails are looking. I haven't done long nails in a while. I'm saying in a while, but some of the videos that I did with short nails I haven't posted yet. But yeah, so these are my first Halloween nails. I'm planning on doing more. So now I'm just gonna go with my cuticle oil onto my nails. Let me know what you think about the set. It was meant to be just a simple set, just to kick off the Halloween season. So what do you guys think? I don't like black nails. If you're an OG and you've been watching my nails, you know how intimidated I feel about black nails. But yeah, that is how my nails look. My pinky finger and my ring finger are crooked, but no one will know. If I do this, it doesn't show. But if I do that, they're both facing that way. But it is what it is. What do you guys think? Nothing too special about these nails, but it is what it is. Is there a way I could have improved this nail set? Please let me know. Please leave your comments down in the comment section. If you're still watching this far, please leave a spider emoji or spider web emoji in the comment section to let me know. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Honey, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, I actually didn't like how the white looked, so I used black, but I couldn't remove the spider. As you can see, I still have a little bit of white underneath the spider, but who's gonna know? No one's gonna know. So I did paint my spider web with black over it, because I just felt like the nail was a bit off. So I think with the black spider web, it's much better. And like I said, I really didn't want to break the spider, because I tried to remove her and she was not budging. So that's how they look. Do you like them better with, or rather, do you like this nail better with the white spider web or with the black one? And if you're still watching, to this end, please add a black heart emoji to show me that you've watched all the way to the end. Thank you. Bye.